Today I'm reading Elephants Cannot Dance. Gerald.
Huh?
Let's dance. I can teach you. I am teaching all my friends. I would love to learn how to dance. But elephants cannot dance. You are kids. Kidding me. No. Look in book. Look it up. Page 11.
And that book's called What Elephants Can Do.
Oh. Okay. Gerald, it does not say that you cannot dance. What?
It says, Gerald, it does not say that you cannot try.
It does not say that you cannot try. You are right, Piggy. I can try today. I will try to dance. Zip.
Good job.
Let's dance.
Oof.
Oof. Okay, let's go. Jump
With Jump with me.
Jump with me.
When I count to 3.
When I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Jump. Wait. Jump. You
were a little late on the jump.
You were a little late on the jump. I was a little late on the jump. We will try again. We will try again. Move or
Move your arms this way.
Move your arms this way. We will try again. We will try again.
It's a sound out word.
Lift
Good.
your leg this way.
Good job.
We will try again. We will try again.
We will try again. We will try again.
Up, up. Down, down. Up, up. Down, down.
Good job.
Spin, spin. Stop, spin, stop.
It's a sound out word, but it's kind of forward.
Forward. Forward. Backwards. Backwards. Wiggle. Wiggle.
Wiggle, waggle.
Wiggle, waggle, wiggle, waggle. Robot wheel.
Walk.
Walk. Robot walk.
tried.
I have tried.
And
Tried and tried and tried and tried. But I am an elephant. And elephants jump.
Just. It's a sound out word.
Cannot dance.
But I'm an elephant, and elephants just cannot dance. Flop.
Plop. Oh, Gerald. ... Hello. We are
Ready.
to learn something. Some more
moves. If you need a break, I can help.
I am sorry. I can't try.
I cannot teach you.
Teach you now.
My friend is sad.
Silly. We do not want you to teach us.
We want to learn.
We want to learn how to be elephants.
It says we want to learn the elephant.
The elephant.
Huh? Teach me, please.
Teach me, please. Me too. Me three.
I think Piggy's so fun.
More fun.
More feeling.
More feeling.
Keep trying.
Keep trying.
You are getting it.
You are getting it.
Is that it?
Wait, I think I skipped a page.
Oh, that's it. The end.
These are 3 pages.
Okay, let's find the pigeon in the back page. There. The pigeon. What's the pigeon doing?
Trying to learn how to fly. Bye.